Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to customize your notes or switch layouts in Goodnotes, changing page templates lets you instantly transform how your pages look without losing your content. In this page, I'll show you how to change page templates in Goodnotes in 2026 easily and correctly. First thing, open your notebook, for example. So here is our notebook. Open your notebook, go to the page you want to edit, for example. Okay, and make sure you are on the correct page. Okay, so now open page template settings. So tap the three dots menu top right. Okay, and select change templates. Okay, so you have to find it here. This opens the templates library. So choose a new template. You will see categories like essentials, planner, study. Okay, so essentials, blank, lined, grade, planner, daily, weekly, layouts, or study like squared, etc. So browse available templates. Okay, tap the one you want and preview before applying. Okay, so for example, this or this. Okay, this. So you have many or plenty options. Apply the templates after that. So for example, when you choose, then you tap apply. Okay, be careful when applying to all pages. So I just have one page here. So adjust your content if needed. So after changing templates, move or resize notes, zoom and reposition right, and add spacing if layout changes. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.